Assalamualaikum. Do I need to pay anything or just go enter? Straight? Okay, shukriya. Okay, this is beautiful. Look, wait. 2 minutes pa lang picture na. Okay, go. Say hi to my vlog first. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Good. Ay, sorry. Sila yung pinipicturean pero ending ako yung attraction. I told you, but you didn't listen. Oh, everybody. Since I cannot take it. Hello, you're tall, no? Oh, hi. Lumipat na tayo. I'm changing my location because I am becoming the tourist attraction. Here, okay, sorry. I cannot have direct sun exposure. Here, please.
Aja.
Ako na yung tourist attraction.
Aja.
Okay. Wow, ang ganda. Wait. I'm finally doing it myself. I'm so happy right now. Another bucket list unlocked here in Pakistan.